So let's talk about copying maps. We've got, we're on our base map here. We've got a few different layers with a bunch of different data points on it. And let's say I'm starting a new shift or a new day, and we might want to make a copy so that we can archive the work that we've done and maybe try something new with a new set of maps or a new set of layers. Or create something specifically for someone else. So what we can do is we can open up our map layers tab here, click on these three dots, and it gives us an option here to make a copy. We just click that easily, and what it's doing is it's making a copy of everything that's within this parent folder here. We see it down here. It's including all of those sublayers. Just like we had with all of the objects in them, they're linked to all the maps that we have on our. They're linked to all the maps that we have on our Avenza account from the original account that we've created it from. So it might be wise here to edit this set of layers. Just say we were working on this. Let's bring up our keyboard. It's a new shift for us. On a new day for us. So let's just update the date on this. Now, one thing that can be pretty important is now that we have two layers that are activated, and we essentially have 2 points stacked right on top of each other. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to take this old layer, we are going to we're going to edit this old layer here. We're going to lock this layer so no changes can be made to it. This is locked now, and then we can hide that layer. Well, I guess it's automatically hidden when we lock it out. So now our new layer that we're working on, again, before we add any data, we just want to make sure that our data is going to be placed on our working layer, so we can set that as our active layer. And so this is our new set. We're going to have to go in and change each of these dates if we do make any changes to this. So there's two schools of thought. When you are exporting a set of layers to someone else, that's the point at which you can add the dates to. Or you can maintain them on your own device. So you can see when the last time you've added an object to safety zones was. It could be left as the 17th until you decide to add something new to it. Then you know that this version and this copy is going to be the most recent with the most accurate information on it. So again, it's just another way to copy work that you've already done. If you're trying to create a map maybe for another person, again, when you're making the copy, you don't have to, we can go in then and delete certain parts of that layer. If we didn't want, safety zones in it, and we didn't want, we can delete that. And we didn't want water sources, we can delete that. So it's just asking us here if we want to just unlink it from this map, or if we want to permanently delete it. So we're going to permanently delete this copy of that layer. So we can make something custom for someone else and then rename this as, a map with this date for not E601, but this could be for, Task Force 3, because you're providing them some kind of information during a handover or when they're coming into your area. So just another feature that you can employ. Again, if you want to get rid of anything, we can delete entire copies of layers. Just like that. And then we can unlock this layer to reactivate it. And we just want to make sure before we add any points at any time on the map that we have an active layer set and we know where those are going.